Hi, I'm Tavon Rivers from Fix the World Morocco, and today I have a special offer for you for our powerful Orgonite charge plates. An Orgonite charge plate is made from organic material that is able to take the stray fields from the environment and turn it into healthy, harmless energy. Shungite is a mineral found in Karelia, Russia. It's only found in one place in the world. Shungite is also made from 98% carbon, some of which is made from a unique carbon mineral called fullerenes. These fullerenes have detoxifying properties. They're used with all kinds of applications, from water filtration to nuclear remediation. But they're also able to transform the harmful fields in the environment at the atomic level. So Shungite is a very special mineral, and we've included it in our charge plates. People use Orgonite charge plates to protect them and their home from the harmful effects of EMF that exist in the environment from Wi-Fi, 5G, and television, and from other sources of high-frequency radiation. What are these plates used for? You can have these plates in the refrigerator to preserve your food longer. You can also rest bowls of fruit and vegetables on your plate to preserve your food. The plate can also structure water by taking a pitcher of distilled water and resting it on top of them. Today, we have some special offers for our Orgonite charge plate at the link below. It comes in either bronze or Shungite black, but why just get one? We have special offers for 2 charge plates at the link below. At Fix the World Morocco, we've been making our handmade EMF protection products since 2017, and we've shipped all over the world to many thousands of customers. If you have any questions, you can contact us or view our many videos we've created that explain the science and testimonies behind each of our products. Be sure to visit our website, ftwproject.com. Thanks for watching.